Meaning of eventually.
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 Eventually. Eventually means something will happen, but it may take some time or there may be a delay. The end result is certain, but the path to reaching that result may not be clear or direct. It conveys a sense of inevitability, suggesting that despite any obstacles or setbacks, the outcome will eventually come to pass. For example, if you work hard and persevere, eventually you will achieve your goals. It implies persistence, patience, and a belief that success is achievable with time and effort.